If you're planning to study abroad, travel internationally, or make frequent global transactions from India, the Niyo Global Forex Card by DCB Bank is an excellent choice. It offers zero forex markup and zero cross currency charges, saving you the usual 3 to 4% fees that come with regular credit or debit cards. You can fund the card in Indian rupees and spend in over 130 plus countries with real time currency conversion. The card includes a zero balance savings account with up to 8% annual interest and allows domestic UPI payments. You also get 4 free international lounge accesses per year, and the annual fee of 499 rupees is waived if you maintain 5000 rupees annually. Final verdict. Neo Global Forex Card is a smart, low cost, and highly flexible solution for travelers and students. If you want maximum savings, international freedom, and zero hassle, this card is a must have. But do your own research in a good way. Thank you.